The creation narrative in Genesis 1 says that God has created man after or in his own image and likeness. Unfortunately, Genesis doesn't define what that means. It is a guess on our part as to what it means to say that human beings are created in the image and likeness of God. But we can be certain that this doesn't mean a physical image and likeness, because for the author of Genesis 1, God is a transcendent being who in the beginning created the heavens and the earth, all physical reality, all matter and energy, space and time. So it can't be a physical image. In some way, it is a non-physical likeness to God. And Christian theologians have differed amongst themselves as to whether this is to be understood as some sort of an ontological similarity to God, or whether this means that man has been given a function or role on this planet to discharge. For example, being God's royal representatives on earth, or being given the mandate to steward and care for the earth. Or another alternative would be, is the image and likeness of God a relationship with God in which human beings uniquely stand? So it seems to me that fundamentally we should think of the image and likeness of God in man as being an ontological similarity of human beings to God. And wherein would that consist? It seems to me it's in personhood. We are, like God, persons. We have rationality, self-consciousness, a first-person perspective, intentionality, freedom of the will, and all of these things endow us with the capacity to be God's royal representative on earth and to be in relation to God. Now, obviously, these capacities are actualized over time. You won't find them actualized in an infant, but an infant has those capacities and is therefore a person. And people can lose these capacities through lapsing into a coma or a vegetative state or something, which he no longer has self-consciousness or freedom of the will. But nevertheless, that individual has these capacities inherent in the human soul. So that's how I would understand human personhood. We are immaterial selves or souls, just as God is an immaterial soul, with these capacities that make us like God.